Emran? Looks like you're a black man.
I don't know. Whatever my kids said it to.
Oh, it's
Oh, he's got a...
It's the Viper skin.
that's really cool.
mask
He's got a
on.
hood on. Yeah, he's
Yeah.
got a hood. Diva. Sig, Diva Sig. Alright.
They're on the left.
Diva left, Diva left. Big purple.
Nice purple.
Sig behind, Sig behind.
Sig right, Sig right.
He got
Oh,
me.
our soldier down. We can get him.
I'm with you, John, but I don't have resource.
Yep. I was out too.
There. Our soldier should be able to come back fast. I'm reloading.
Yep.
Yeah, Moira heals right now. Someone back up high ground.
Our soldier's back, looks like.
Okay, they have junk. Right?
Junk right
Okay.
now.
Soldier high left. Dead.
got him.
Nice shot.
Nice purple.
Keep our monkey.
Heals behind you, please.
Loose.
I'm down.
I'm coalescing.
Push in on that. Soldier left.
I'm with you, John.
Yep.
A lot of people on the right here.
Oh, the Sig was just always chasing me down.
Sig is right.
I have 3,000 damage you make even.
Reloading. Okay, no one on the west.
Worth it.
Definitely worth it.
Love it.
Watch those.
That's right side. Keep conniving up. Nice. You're good, you're good. Keep sit down up, sit down.
I'm good, I'm good. I've got.
Nice job. You're good, good.
Watch out for that Reaper.
I need to recharge.
I've got coalescence again.
I could use heals on the point. Thank you.
Yep, on you.
They have a
no
Reaper.
resource.
Reaper,
Yep.
Reaper back left, maybe. No,
Yeah, he
he's
went right
top.
side.
Reaper
He's in
just
green.
TP top right.
Yep.
He's top right, he's in green.
What else are they gonna
Watching,
have?
he's still there.
Diva left. Reaper right, Reaper right.
Coalescing.
Nice, nice, nice. Reaper. I have nano.
Give it to me. Going now.
Reaper no raid, Reaper no raid.
Bottom back.
Keep our monkey up. Reloading.
Push on the Sig.
I think we win this, we win this.
Good guys, really
Get our
good.
Diva mech back.
I need to recharge.
We have 16 seconds, so the Reaper's probably gonna have ult. So be careful of the TP.
Yeah,
Nice,
they're
we got
gonna
Diva
have
mech.
Diva bomb as well.
Oh yeah, heard.
I heard Reaper.
She's out of mech. She's out of mech.
Nice, nice. Reaper, Reaper.
Oh crap! I'm down.
Where's soldier? Where's soldier? Where's their soldier? Left side.
Toast.
Good.
Nice.
Yes. No tick.
Great support, guys.
Nice work.
Trouble. Trouble.
Trouble. Okay, so if we're gonna do this then.
I can't wait to see you all in action.
They have a Bastion. I wonder if we
Yep,
should change.
Diva.
Yeah.
I'll swap.
Yeah, should we also... We could
Lucio
dive.
Moira? Or
We could
we
we
do
could still
Ana?
we could still dive with the
Go on and do that.
with what?
with the Junkrat, Mercy, Let's,
Sure,
let's-
Ana. Let's see. Keep this.
so everybody, let's
Okay, I see
stick
him.
with the plan. Sure, let's try to go.
Okay, hold on, I'm not there yet. I wasn't sure if I had to move. Okay, they're all behind
We're back
side.
here.
Coming now. Oh, okay. I'm coming.
Weapon system optimized.
All right.
Okay, no one's high.
I'm not with you guys, but I will.
D.Va high. Reaper there, Reaper 2.
Man, we should have dove him.
D.Va Mac, on high. Oh, that was a Lucio. Okay. Reaper behind.
Guys,
Somebody's
behind.
coming
Oh, sorry,
back.
behind. Sorry, now. Dead. Ana main. I'm asleep.
I got you.
I'm with you.
D.Va behind.
Need help.
Hold on, get us D.Va.
D.Va. D.Va in the Mac.
Okay, watch for Bastion.
Lucio.
I see him.
Lucio mark.
I got stickies on the Bastion.
I need heals.
Reaper behind.
Bastion's top left.
Mark. Reaper mark. Dead.
Down.
We gotta stabilize.
Okay, I've got Val.
Okay, pushing in with Val. With
Go.
Trance.
Oh, dang.
It's okay.
Sleep.
It's okay, we only need one tick.
Get D.Va high.
I'm down. Zarya low.
I'm
Sorry,
rezzing it.
dead. Nice.
Shit.
They didn't have to do with double
Patience.
support ult.
Yeah.
I said Falcon, I meant trance.
Yeah.
I meant trance, my bad.
That was really good. Really good call
Nice.
on the back and the peel.
Oh, and the peel was good. That was the most important part. The peel.
Yeah.
Every time too. Every time. It's good. Who gave me shot caller?
Mute. Look at that. Nice
It was
healing.
me.